Have you ever heard of a quokka? Well, you're about to find out. The animal that I chose to learn about is called a quokka and is also nicknamed the happiest animal in the world. These animals are related to kangaroos and wallabies and mostly live in southwestern Australia and in a place called Rottnest Island. They're herbivores, meaning they only eat plants, and they're mainly nocturnal. Quokkas usually weigh between 5 to 11 pounds, and its scientific name is Cetonix brachyurus. In this essay, you'll learn about quokkas. They look very interesting and are very fascinating creatures. They're small macropods that are about the size of a domestic cat. They have well-developed hind legs, much like kangaroos, only smaller, which they use to quickly escape from predators. They're one of the smallest species of wallaby in the world, and have thick, coarse gray-brown fur. They have rounded ears and a short, broad head. Quokkas are amazing animals and have interesting bodies. Now let's take a look at what they look like. Like I've mentioned before, quokkas live in southwestern Australia, and most live on Rottnest Island. These macropods mainly live in dense riparian vegetation and can live in forests too. Most quokkas take shelter in a thicket or other cool, shady, protected areas during the day. Their habitats are also in areas surrounded by trees, shrubs, and other plants. It's important to protect the quokkas' natural habitat so they can survive. Now we know where they live, but what about their diet and their predators? Well, the quokka is a vegetarian, meaning that its herbivorous diet is solely comprised of the surrounding plant material. They're also known to eat different types of grasses, leaves, fruits, and berries. They're also known to climb trees about a meter high to grab a quick snack. Predators of quokkas include dogs, cats, foxes, dingoes, and birds of prey. They can also go long periods of time without water. They have interesting diets consisting of many different types of plants. Now let's move on to lifespan and breeding. This animal has a unique way of caring for its young, in a pouch. Quokkas live for 5 to 10 years in the wild and 15 years in captivity. A female quokka has only one baby at a time, around 2 per year, and 17 during their lifespan. A baby quokka is called a joey. A joey lives in its mother's pouch for the first 6 months of its life, like kangaroos. Mother quokkas take lots of time caring for their young. Quokkas are very different and unique. I found some amazing facts about quokkas, and some of them are that quokka mothers are only pregnant for 28 days before giving birth. Quokkas are also nicknamed the happiest animal in the world due to their always smiling faces and friendly personality. Quokkas also have 2 stomachs and little fear of humans. So, in conclusion, I learned that quokkas are some amazing animals. They're actually really clever animals and can learn tricks, gestures, and even simple commands. I think they're bright and smart Australian mammals who are similar to some animals like wallabies and kangaroos and different from many animals too. I like quokkas now that I've gained interesting information about them, and all in all, I enjoyed researching about quokkas. Thank you for listening.